If you hear this message, wherever you stand, I'm calling every woman, I'm calling every man. Hello everybody, hello family, hello friends. My name is Samson. I come from Madagascar. I am extremely happy to tell you my wonderful great news. I am accepted to join up with people for traveling and performing and also learning through 15 nations, and I'm going to represent Madagascar, of course. So I really need your support for raising money, because this program fee is more than 17,000 US dollars. So please help me and support me to find that money. No matter how much you can help. So the most important is you help, guys. So thank you very much in advance. Mbola tsara manahoana daholo isika rehetrarehetra, malagasy namana. Samson ho anarako, malagasy, de voafidy andeha anaraka ny up with people zay programme anankiray afana manao ny asa sosialy sy manao ny maneho talenta, manao asa sosialy amin'ny fanehoana talenta, de fianarana koa anatin'izay any États-Unis sy any Europa anatin'ny 5 pays zany no andehanana manomboka amin'ny July io. Nefa anatin'izany aza ilaina vola be le programme, satria manodidigny amin'ny 17,000 dollars io zany ny droit amin'izay. Fa ny ataoko zany mangataka fanampina amintsika rehetra zay malala-tanana mba anampy zany amin'ny zay fitadiavana zay vola zay mandrapahatongavan'izay July zay. De andeha isolo tena ny Madagascar mazava ho azy, de zay mahatonga mangataka ny fanampina amintsika rehetrarehetra, namana, ny fianakaviana, ny na de tsy namana raha mahita ity video ty de aza misalasala zany manampy, misaotra betsaka.